Are you experiencing call failure issues on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18? Hello friends, I'm Carly. In this video, I'll guide you through some simple and effective solutions to fix this issue. These solutions have been proven to work for many users, so let's get started and resolve this together. Turn on and off airplane mode. One of the quickest and most effective ways to reset all wireless connections on your iPhone is by using airplane mode. Let's walk through the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Turn on the toggle next to airplane mode and wait 10 seconds. Then, turn off airplane mode. Your iPhone will automatically reconnect to wireless networks. Alternatively, you can turn airplane mode on and off directly from the control center. If the problem persists, try the next solution. Check network settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Mobile Service. Here, turn on the toggle next to mobile data. After that, enable the toggle next to turn on this line. After that, tap Network Selection and enable the toggle next to Automatic. Also, swipe up and tap on Wi-Fi calling and turn off the toggle next to Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. That's it. If your iPhone is unresponsive and you failed to receive calls, force restart your iPhone. Follow the steps performed on a video screen. Quickly press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone. Wait for the restart process to complete. Then, unlock your iPhone and check if the problem is solved. It's necessary to keep your carrier and software up to date, as outdated versions can lead to network issues. Let's check for updates. Here's how to check it. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Then, open the Settings app on your iPhone home screen. Tap on General and tap on the About section to open it. If you see a prompt for a carrier update, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Since the carrier update prompt is unavailable, let's move to the next step. Check for software update. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then, tap on Software Update and wait until your device checks for an update. If any update is available, tap the Update Now button and wait for the process to complete. If you're trying to call but fail due to network misconfigurations, move to the next solution. Reset network settings. Let's see the steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Now, swipe up to the bottom and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. The list of settings opens up here. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, your iPhone may show Enter Your Passcode prompt. So, enter your lock screen passcode and confirm the reset process. This process returns the network settings to the default state, so you can wait for your iPhone to complete the reset process and restart automatically. Change your location. Sometimes calls may fail due to network congestion or weak cellular reception. So, you should change your location and check your carrier's coverage map. Turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. If you have enabled or scheduled Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, it blocks your calls. It also silences incoming calls and notification sounds, so you may not receive important calls. So, let's see and follow the steps to turn off Do Not Disturb. There are two ways, from the Control Center and the Settings app. Swipe down from the upper right corner to open the Control Center. Tap on the focus icon. If the Do Not Disturb mode is on, tap it to turn it off. That's it. Alternatively, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Focus. Here, tap on Do Not Disturb. Swipe up and check if the schedule is set. Tap on it and select Delete Schedule. Then, confirm it. That's it. If the error remains, remove and reinsert the SIM. Turn off your iPhone and remove the SIM tray using a SIM ejector. Then, remove your SIM card from the SIM tray and check for damage. If it's damaged, you need to get a new SIM card. Otherwise, reinsert the SIM if it is not damaged. Turn on your iPhone and check if the problem is solved. If you can't receive or get notified when someone calls, check your phone settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Apps. Swipe up, find the phone app, and open it. Then, tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Turn off the toggle next to Silence Unknown Callers. Also, you may not get a call notification because the number is on the block list. You need to unblock it. On the same page, tap on Block Contacts. Scroll to find the number, and swipe left to right on Contact to view the unblock option. Tap on it. The phone app allows you to add a known number to your contacts. Tap on the keypad and enter contact details to add a number. That's it. Contact your carrier and Apple support. If none of the solutions work, make sure your bill is paid and then contact your carrier to solve the problem. Book an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar, follow the video given in the video description, and pin comment. Diagnose the hardware issue and resolve your problem without spending money under terms and conditions. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.